So if you're going to use ArcGIS Online, you want to make sure you can open the CSV. And I saved it as a Google Doc. And because I have Excel, it opens as an Excel comma delimited file. I think this will open in a Mac as well. So I've recorded the data that I collected, and I just sorted it by the number of items from largest to smallest. And then I'm going to save this in my, I made a folder on my desktop. And I'm going to save it as kind of my name and the data that I collected. And you're just going to say yes to this. And when you close it, it's going to ask you to save it again, and you're going to choose Don't Save. I have no idea why CSV files do that. But if I open this, I can see that it saved all my data correctly. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and open my ArcGIS Online account. Okay, go into my content, and I'm going to start a new map, and I'm going to title it with the product or the item. Just the date and my name on that. I've already done one, so I'm going to go put that. So just put some tags in there and say OK. And the last couple maps, if we've done those in class, we've added stream data. So this time we're going to add data that we collected. That's not drawing very well, but I'm just going to ignore it right now. And I'm going to add a layer from File. I'm going to browse and look for my folder and open that. And I'm going to import the layer. And I have to tell the computer I want to use an address. And for the country name, I want to use country. And that's the only location point it needs. Oh, and that I'm using world data. So I want it to choose that. So then I'm going to add the layer. I'm going to see what happens. Oh, I don't know why it changed. Let me try again. Oh, maybe because I moved that. Okay, so I'm going to choose Add the Layer. And then I'm going to get dots for each of the countries, but I actually want to show the item. So I'm going to go through here and choose Show the Number of Items. And this will make a map showing different sized circles. And then I can do some editing of the color. So I'm going to go through here. No. Sorry, I'm going to go back to the circles. Select that. And if I click the symbol here, I can choose the shape I want. I can choose the color I want. So there you go. Now if I wanted to make, so I have a graduated symbol map, and that shows the manufacturing of t-shirts. I'm going to choose OK and done. And if I go into my legend, number of items, and I can even, if you want to get a little fancy with that, you can rename it, layer name by change that. So that's a very simple way to show a graduated symbol map for manufacturing. And then you're going to save your map, and you're going to remember to choose public, and on your Word document you're going to copy that. And then what you will turn into me is a document with your map on it and a copy of your data. Where did mine go here? Control C, Control V, and your name. Okay, so I have the link to your map, I have a copy of your data, the assignment, and your name. And that should just about do it if you're using the HighTech method.